In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on your Toyota Corolla. It's located behind your glove box. So here's our glove box. I'm on the passenger seat. I'm going to open this door. Here is the piston. We're going to push this way to take it off, and we're going to push it on the sides here to unhook the glove box so it drops completely down. To slide this off, you're just going to pick up a little bit and push. Once you're unhooked, you're going to push in here. You can do one at a time if it's easier. And just let it drop. Now we're going to push down here and push this up at the same time and open this door. You're going to open it up like this. You can set that aside if it falls off. And you're going to pull this straw out. There's your air filter. So you have an arrow here pointing up. That's the direction the air filter needs to be in. I'm going to tilt this up. We're going to squeeze here, and you're going to pull the filter out. Set it aside, and now we're going to install the new one. On the side, it has an arrow. Make sure it's pointing up, and you're going to put it inside the casing. You can do it the same way. Squeeze it together. Push it down, make sure it fits under these tabs on either side. The new one is a little tougher to get in because it's not all beat up. Just fit it in. Make sure it's flush and your accordion is all filled in to the edge. Like that. Now let's install. Before installing, make sure there is nothing inside here. Sometimes you might find a mouse nest or debris, so clean that out if needed. Ours is fine, so we're going to insert this in. Make sure the arrow is pointing up still. And push it in all the way. Now let's install our door. Make sure you insert these two prongs into those two spots. So we're going to slide it in and close the door. Like that. We're going to slide these four things onto these. To do that, you're going to push up, and as you go up with the door, it should snap in. Now we're going to put our piston on here. So you're going to pick up the glove box, slide that on, and then you're going to continue to push the door in, and it will lock in. Now don't forget to put your stuff back in your glove box if you took anything out, and shut the door. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.